Hello, my name is Diego Castillo and this is my video tutorial of symbols of International Phonetic Alphabet IPA. Today I'm going to talk about phonemes z and m. First, manner of articulation fricative and place of articulation dental. How to pronounce the consonant steps. Step 1. Stick your tongue past your teeth. Step 2. Bite down lightly. And step 3. Exhale. Look, it's done like this. This phoneme is a voiceless dental fricative sound. That is, as there is no vibration in the vocal cords, it is considered voiceless. If we were to vibrate the vocal cords, it would no longer be the sound, it would become the sound vibrate the vocal cords. Examples: thin, thin, this, this, this. Look the difference. Thin, thin. No vibrate. D, d. Vibrate. D. Examples: Matthew has healthy teeth. Martha, thanks for telling the truth. The next sound, z. Manner of articulation is fricative, and place of articulation is alveolar. How to pronounce the consonant z? The tongue must be bent backwards, raising it back without touching the palate. When the air is expelled, the lips are pulled out a little and the vocal cords have to vibrate. Z. It's easy, it's done this way. Z. Z. This phoneme is a voiced postalveolar fricative sound because it is a voiced sound since when doing it the vocal cords have to vibrate. Z. If the vocal cords don't vibrate, it's kind of confused with the sound s. S. Look the difference? Z. Z. And s. S. Z. Vibrate. Z. Examples: decision, decision, and ship, ship. More examples: the invasion of the town was in search of treasures. I usually watch Asian television series. The symbol M, the symbol it's a sound. Manner of articulation nasal. Place of articulation bilabial. How to pronounce the consonant Two lips join, and there is total closure of the air passage. The vocal cords have to vibrate, and because it is a nasal type consonant, part of the air comes out of the nose when pronounced. It is a voiceable labial nasal sound. It is a voiced sound because there is vibration in the vocal cords. You can feel it. Try it. Examples: man, empty, empty. More examples: my mother arrives tomorrow morning. Family is the most important. Well, that's all. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye.